We are testing the system and we are supplying the water for the riser as a start. This is the hydro test. Okay, this is an inspection for the hydro test. We are supplying the water now to the system for the first time. If there is any leak or something, we fix in the same time. Now we will vent the system. We will go together to vent the system. After this, after venting the system, he will supply the water from this valve here. Okay, so the water will go to the riser. Okay, this is going to the riser. Okay, let's see together step by step. We are waiting the water to come in this landing valve. So by this we will make sure that the riser is full with water. Take care.
Yeah, you go open it all the way, man.
Okay, now the riser is full with water, and the water now is out because we removed the gauge, so the water is coming out, and the riser is full now. Now this is the other riser. Okay, this only riser for the stairs. The other one was combination of sprinklers and riser, but this one only riser. Now we are venting it, and the water will be supplied to the riser at first. This is the first step. Here, this is our riser. Now we've vented the system here from this landing valve, and now we will open it.
Yes.
Supposed to come like this water here, so by this way we will know that it is pressurized. You hear the sound, the water is coming here.
Pudo abrir pesado un poquito, ¿no?
Yeah.
It's okay, déjalo así. No, ya, déjalo así.
Now this is the sprinklers. Okay, we pressurize the riser, as you see here. It is pressure than more than 50 psi. Okay, this the control valve of the floor. Okay, after this we must pressure the sprinkler system. As we see here, this is 0. Okay, so we will allow the water to go inside the floor, so by this way it will be pressurized. We'll take one floor by one floor. Okay, so now the control valve is set, but the main valve, okay, we need to increase the pressure. Okay.
Take a little more. Right there.
Now we vented the floor and we are supplying the water for the system.